Hey everyone! Nakabalik na kami dito sa Metro Manila last Saturday night. And now is a Monday. I'm also done with all my tasks for the day. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang ngayon is nanonood ng TV. I'm runners na nagva-vlog din kung ano yung mga ginagamit nilang, like, running shoes, mga tinitake nilang hydration gels, and all of that.
Good morning, Casper. Good morning, Casper. Good morning, Casper. Big boy. Siguro, to pass the time or while I work, I'm going to speak with you guys. I'm gonna share with you my experience in Boracay kasi it's already been 3 days since bumalik kami dito. It was a very good experience, especially nung nag-land na kami sa Boracay. And nakita ko na rin yung sea. Tas nakita ko kung gaano siya ka-blue, ka-clear yung water. Nagustuhan ko rin yung surroundings, especially because it was my first time going to Boracay. It was very meaningful because I was with my sisters. Yung mga activities, I loved everything except whenever I go underwater. I don't know how to swim, which is actually something that I wanna develop within this year. I found this class within the metro. I believe I'm going to try it. Ano gusto mo iya?
Ano yung mix and match?
Gusto ko nito. Potato corner.
Oh, it's bagong print.
Yay! Andito na siya. Sabi ko kasi, pag hindi ito available, edi yung ano na lang, na peach sundae. So ito ang dumating. Good na yan.
Okay na yun.
Iced tea?
Okay na yun. Hindi ko pa na-try yung ano dito. Lemon.
Strawberry Oreo. So, may mini haul tayo. Char! Bumili ko sa healthy options ng mga protein bar for my upcoming runs. Triple chocolate. Madagascar vanilla almond. Honey roasted nuts and sea salt. Chocolate chip, of course. White chocolate macadamia nut and organic energy cheese orange. Bumili rin ako ng bagong medyas. Dapat bibiliin ko yung mahaba para comfy, pero okay na siguro to for my upcoming run. So excited. It's my cat, Chi-Chi. That's his mom, Callie. Hi, Callie! Callie! Good girl! Dati magkaaway kami niyan. Pero ngayon, good friends na kami. On the way to the penthouse, mag-register ako sa gym. And i-orient nila ako ngayon. Hi, cat. Hi, me.
Kakatapos ko pa palang mag-treadmill for 10 minutes. Sobrang hingalala ako. Pero it's okay. Siguro naninibago lang ulit yung katawan ko. Mas okay pa rin talaga mag-run sa labas para sa akin kesa sa treadmill. Kasi nakaka-bored na isa lang ang view mo. Pero, let's see kung makakapag-run ulit tayo sa UP next week. Natutuwa ako kasi sobrang secluded niya. I mean, exclusive pala. Meaning, yung mga residents lang na pwedeng mag-gym dito. Probably, most of the time na mag-gym ka, ikaw lang mag-isa or dalawa lang kayo. I think max na 5. So, nakakatawa siya. So, I guess I'll just tour around so you can see kung ano yung amenities, kung ano yung mga equipment dito. Hindi ko alam mga tawag sa equipment, so I'm just going to do a walkthrough. Ito lang, alam ko, treadmill. As a runner, try. Beginner runner. Yes. Hindi na ako mahihiyang mag-lift. Kasi ako lang naman. Kahit may CCTV, hindi naman nila papansinin most of the time. Tapos walang mga experts around, so hindi ako mahihiya sa form ko. Although I know na kailangan ayusin. Still, makakapag-try na ako.
Hi guys, it's Friday and we're currently preparing for our mini weekend in Antipolo. We're going to celebrate a lot of events. All of them are family events. Natatawa rin ako ngayon kasi kakatanggal ko pa lang dito sa bigas. Do you know why? Kasi inihian siya ng pusa. Nakakatawa. Grabe, kailangan ko na talagang ipakapon yung mga pusa namin. Hi, Mat! Ayan, si Baba. Magsa-celebrate si Auntie Baba.
Magpalabas nga ni ako. Yes.
Just say you run away. Hey, but you don't way.
Password.
We're finally here at the casa, so now I'm going to tour you around. It's currently super cloudy and it's probably going to rain. So, hindi mo na kami swim, of course. Pero, yan. This is the pool. Hi, Matma.
Hey. Yes.
Oh, Sante Baba. Kuya B-boy. Huwag mo kong i-push.
Please.
Dito yung mini bar, which also serves as the karaoke area. Mamaya mag-karaoke tayo. Kung feel ko. Dito ako nag-work before dyan. Doon din nga pala pwede kang mag-lounge. Super cozy. Yan.
Awas si kita mo, bye-bye mo.
Hi! Andito na ako sa room kasi I'm going to have a catch-up call with my UK client. Dapat kahapon pa siya, but I was very busy yesterday with a lot of revisions for my other clients. So, buti na lang, super understanding nitong client ko na to. Medyo hingal ako. Anyway, I'm just going to show you the view mula sa second floor. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura ng pool. Ganyan lang naman siya. Mamaya after ng call, pupunta ako dun sa labas.
Kevin!
Oh, video to. Diba?
Okay, ate baba.
Ate, ano?
Yeah!
Lakas mo
Picture.
kapag sa salamin, no?
Ang payad namin dito.
Hindi ba?
Oo.
Hello?
Oo. Mag-video okay na kami. Bye! Kaso umuulan pa.
Paulanin
Push
ulit.
namin. Hindi naman na nag-light. Hindi naman na nag-light.
Go, Gabriela. Nobody told that you'd be
Hi!
Lagay mo doon pala.
Warning you, I'm out here. During the class of party.
Tapos na mag-swim.
Hey, Missy but talk.
Yeah! She's eating fried chicken at 9 p.m. What can you say about it?
Normal.
What's your norm?
Madalaw.
Kainin mo na yan. Andito yan para kainin.
Tutulaok yata yun. Sabi ko, hindi mo man nagigising ka ako.
Oh my god, her birthday.
Oh my God, happy birthday.
Oo. Don't touch it. May ano yan, may candle. May candle yan ito.
Dumila.
Sa box.
Birthday mo? Si happy birthday, Kuya Lauren.
No, ako, birthday.
Congratulations, Ria!
O si Lawrence din, no? Nag-picture ka dyan.
Lawrence, happy birthday! Ate Biba, doon ka na.
Celebrate ka.
Oh, ay, pamamidyo.
Bakit yung isa yung candle?
Puto ba ito na eh? Share na kayo dyan sa kanila.
Dali na. Puto ba kayo? Jesus, kaya isa. Never na picturean.
Asa ko, asa ko.
Lawrence, ikaw na. Okay. Oy, Daddy, sumali ka na. Tsaka si Rads, oh. Kayo nga. My birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
aming sakyan.
Anong tawag sa mga ganito?
CCG.
Ano to?
Platter. Sushi platter.
Basta sushi platter.
Tara, ayun na lang
Yeah.
yeah.
Waiting sa nagpapaano ng
Nyog.
nyog.
Naantok pa.
Uy. Let's go. Unboxing. Parang buka. Naulog to.
Diba sa demure?
Asa. You ready? You ready? You ready?
It's Sunday afternoon and we're already back here sa condo, and actually we arrived here at around before 10 a.m. or was it 9? Basta it was early pero hindi na ako nakapag video kasi I just had this long conversation with my sister and we told her whatever happened in Antipolo. Right now I'm here at the gym and it's been 2 days since last ako nakapag-run dito. So today, babalik ako kasi feeling ko ang dami kong na-gain na weight from our staycation since Friday. Ang priority ko today is not to run but to just walk. Pero syempre, increased ang incline.
Hello, Casper! Kitty! And cuddles! Casper!